Glad to have you all here. We're incredibly excited to announce the biggest lithium refinery, one of the biggest lithium refineries in the world, and a location that will be able to, we expect, produce lithium for about 1 million vehicles and produce more battery-grade lithium than the rest of North American refining capacity combined.
Get ready for an industry-shifting development that is bound to have a significant impact on the global electric vehicle market. In a notable move, Elon Musk, the visionary CEO of Tesla, has taken a significant step towards challenging China's dominance over a crucial resource, lithium. On May 8th, amidst much anticipation, Elon Musk and Texas Governor Greg Abbott officially inaugurated Tesla's latest venture, an advanced lithium refinery located in Corpus Christi, Texas. This cutting-edge facility along the Gulf Coast holds immense potential in securing a domestic supply of lithium hydroxide, a vital ingredient for Tesla's electric vehicle batteries, as well as home and utility-scale energy storage solutions.
The thing about lithium is it's extremely abundant on Earth. Lithium is the third most common element in the universe. The reason we don't have just free hydrogen available is because it's bound up in water. And then the reason we don't have a lot of helium is because it floats away. But lithium does not float away, and so there's lithium in salt form virtually everywhere.
But what motivated Elon Musk to invest in a lithium refinery? And what implications does this hold for the electric vehicle race? Join us as we explore the rationale behind this strategic move and its potential impact on the ever-evolving EV industry.
In the time frame available, like in the next year or 2 years, will there be lithium in the form that Tesla needs, which is lithium hydroxide, in sufficient quantities at a price that is reasonable and does not materially affect the cost of the Model 3.
Elon Musk has made bold claims regarding the future of electric vehicles and the pivotal role of lithium in this industry. Musk asserts that Tesla aims to establish its own battery-grade lithium refinery, generating enough lithium each year to produce over 1 million automobiles. This ambitious plan would exceed the combined capacity of all remaining refineries in North America. But Tesla's aspirations go beyond just refining lithium. The company also intends to construct facilities to support the processing, refining, and manufacturing of other battery materials, as well as ancillary manufacturing operations to bolster its sustainable product line. As part of this endeavor, Tesla plans to develop a cutting-edge battery-grade lithium hydroxide refining facility, leveraging an innovative process that consumes fewer hazardous reagents and yields usable byproducts. This forward-thinking approach aligns with Tesla's commitment to environmental sustainability and efficiency. While lithium costs have significantly decreased since Musk initially proposed Tesla's potential entry into the lithium refining industry, the majority of the world's processing and refining capacity for lithium remains under China's control. The United States currently holds only a meager 1% of that capacity, highlighting a fundamental choke point for the electric vehicle industry and other sectors relying on lithium. Musk recognizes the importance of overcoming this challenge to ensure a stable and affordable supply of lithium for Tesla's electric vehicles. Republican Governor Greg Abbott of Texas acknowledges Musk's influence and emphasizes the importance of remaining independent and reducing reliance on potentially hostile foreign countries for essential resources. Musk himself envisions Tesla selling a staggering 20 million vehicles annually by the end of the decade. This ambitious goal is not an idle threat, but a clear indication of Tesla's determination to shape the future of transportation. Interestingly, at the unveiling of Tesla's recent master plan in Texas, the long-awaited ambitions for an affordable electric car were notably absent. While a more affordable Tesla vehicle would undoubtedly attract additional potential buyers, Tesla's CFO expressed the company's focus on efficiency, a highly popular trend in Silicon Valley. This emphasis aims to raise the staggering $175 billion needed to achieve the objective of manufacturing 20 million cars per year. Tesla envisions a clear path to a smaller vehicle with production costs half that of the Model 3, its current most affordable vehicle with a starting price of around $43,000. However, to achieve Musk's objective and build a sustainable, low-cost electric vehicle, Tesla must address the challenges posed by batteries, the most expensive component in EVs. Batteries serve as the workhorses of electric vehicles, powering the entire vehicle. Among the various metals required for batteries, lithium plays a crucial role. Unfortunately, Tesla faces difficulties in controlling battery costs due to the record-high pricing of lithium and a complex supply chain originating from China. Reducing the price of batteries is imperative for Tesla to make EVs affordable for everyone. Failure to do so risks ceding the market to rival companies. Yet, despite this significant challenge, Tesla has a clear path to growth if it can successfully navigate these obstacles. The high price of lithium remains a major concern, but Tesla recently announced new initiatives to tackle this issue. These include plans for a new $5 billion Tesla Gigafactory in Mexico, aimed at advancing their efforts to make affordable EVs. However, Tesla must also prioritize strategies to lower the high cost of battery raw materials, including lithium. During an Investor Day event, Musk acknowledged that while the United States possesses ample lithium reserves to electrify the entire planet, the bottleneck lies in transforming the metal into battery-grade materials. Despite having the greatest lithium reserves among 5 nations, the United States lags in production output. Paul Geddes, the head of capital markets at Nano One Materials, a lithium-ion battery producer in Quebec, highlighted that China controls 99% of the lithium iron phosphate (LFP) market. Tesla's previous deal with Chinese battery provider CATL in 2020 partially contributes to the increased number of LFP vehicles they're selling. Notably, other major players in the automotive industry, including General Motors and Ford, are also investing heavily in lithium refining and battery production. General Motors intends to develop a facility in Nevada, while Ford plans to invest $3.5 billion in the first LFP battery plant located in Michigan. Additionally, Canadian company Nano One Materials, collaborating with Volkswagen, purchased one of the largest LFP plants outside of China in Montreal to market its technology. These developments underline the significance of lithium refining and the race to secure a sustainable and cost-effective supply. According to statistics from Benchmark, the price of lithium carbonate has experienced an exponential increase, soaring from $7,508 per ton in January 2020 to an all-time high of $70,957 per ton in January 2022. Elon Musk himself has tweeted about this, describing the prices as reaching insane levels. This surge in price poses a significant challenge for Tesla and other companies aiming to manufacture affordable electric vehicles, EVs, as it becomes increasingly difficult to control the supply chain and keep costs down. In order to tackle this issue and lower the price of batteries, which is crucial for making EVs more accessible, Tesla has taken action to secure its own supply of lithium. In 2020, Tesla signed a multi-year agreement with Piedmont Lithium, an Australian miner with operations in North Carolina. Additionally, Tesla has established partnerships with Compass Minerals and Abu Marley, both involved in lithium mining and processing. Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas is set to start producing lithium later this year. However, it's important to note that Tesla's focus in Texas is on generating lithium hydroxide, a version of the metal with superior performance, rather than lithium carbonate. This emphasis on lithium hydroxide is unrelated to Tesla's plans to create affordable EVs. Tesla is also making significant efforts to secure resources and establish a consistent supply of lithium for its batteries, ensuring it can deliver the quantity of vehicles it has promised investors. Piedmont Lithium, whose clients include Tesla and LG Chem, is working on projects to construct an integrated mine and refinery in North Carolina and a refinery in Tennessee. They are also involved in projects in Ghana and Quebec. However, meeting the future demand for lithium will require both increased refining capacity and more ground-based raw materials. The U.S. has discovered lithium-rich deposits, but mining projects typically take around 10 years to complete, while refinery construction takes about 2 years. While the prices of lithium have fallen since their peak in 2022, they still remain around 3 times higher than they were 2 years ago. The shift to electric vehicles by most automakers contributes to the ongoing demand for lithium and other essential metals, underscoring the need for continued investment and development in the field. For instance, Ford recently made an exciting announcement about its plans to collaborate with a Chinese supplier to develop a massive $3.5 billion EV battery plant right in Michigan. This move indicates that the electric vehicle market is evolving into something akin to the copper or oil markets, where the supply-demand balance becomes more synchronized in the long run. However, achieving this balance will require significant progress in the lithium industry, including the discovery of more mines, the construction of additional refineries, and the incorporation of recycling as a factor, which is estimated to happen in about 10 years or more, according to Piedmont Lithium. The lithium industry currently faces a challenge in terms of limited mining and refining development compared to the number of battery facilities being constructed. Moreover, there are legitimate concerns regarding the environmental and socio-economic effects of lithium mining. While lithium mining helps advance renewable energy technology, it can also lead to heavy metal and chemical pollution of the air and water, substantial water and energy consumption during extraction, soil erosion, and disruption of animal habitats. To address these concerns, efforts are being made to adopt more environmentally friendly mining techniques, such as utilizing renewable energy sources and reducing water and chemical usage. Furthermore, lithium mining can have social repercussions, including the eviction of nearby communities and negative impacts on their health and welfare, particularly in countries with lax labor laws and environmental regulations. Human rights violations, such as child labor and forced labor, can occur in areas where most of the world's lithium reserves are located. To overcome these problems, mining companies must prioritize moral and ethical behavior, ensuring fair labor standards and involving the local community. Despite the worries associated with lithium mining, it plays a vital role in advancing sustainable energy. Lithium-ion batteries are crucial for storing renewable energy sources like solar and wind energy, making them a key technology in the shift toward a more sustainable civilization. But where does lithium come from, and how is it made? In its simplest form, lithium is an extremely reactive alkali metal with superior thermal and electrical conductivity. However, it doesn't exist naturally alone. It is typically found as a component of salts or other chemicals. The majority of lithium available on the market is in the form of lithium carbonate, a stable substance that can be further processed into chemicals or salts. Lithium can be found in various underground deposits, including clay mineral ore, brine, geothermal water, and seawater. The highest concentrations of lithium, ranging from 1,000 to 3,000 parts per million, are found in briny lakes known as salars. The famous Lithium Triangle, encompassing Bolivia, Argentina, and Chile, hosts the most lithium-rich salars. Brine mining is a common method used to extract lithium from salars, which typically takes between 8 and 3 years to complete. Once the brine is pumped to the surface, it is left to evaporate for months while a mixture of manganese, potassium, borax, and salts is added to aid lithium carbonate extraction. This extraction process, often referred to as obtaining white gold, involves further filtration and can take between 12 and 18 months. While the method is cost-effective and efficient, it requires a significant amount of water. It's estimated that approximately 500,000 gallons of water are used for every ton of extracted lithium, putting immense strain on local water supplies. The impact of lithium mining extends beyond water shortages. Toxic chemicals, such as hydrochloric acid used in the production process, and waste materials from the brine can filter out into the water supply, posing environmental risks. For example, mining activities have resulted in a 65% loss of water supply in Chile's Salar de Atacama, affecting local farmers who rely on farming and raising cattle for their livelihoods. These challenges highlight the complex nature of lithium mining and the need for responsible practices that prioritize environmental preservation and the well-being of local communities. So, what do you think about Elon Musk's efforts to disrupt China's dominance over lithium and his role in advancing sustainable lithium extraction? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're a fan of all things technology, be sure to check out this other video we've got lined up for you. It's packed with all the latest news, tips, and tricks to keep you ahead of the curve.